Have you ever felt like your body is this super complex machine, but you didn't get the user's manual? We spend so much of our time and energy focusing on symptoms, right? But what if the real key to our health isn't on the surface at all? What if it's deep inside our trillions of cells, and it all hinges on one tiny essential spark of energy?
Okay, so let's really dive into this, because this one question, it could completely change how we think about everything, from our mental clarity to our metabolic health. We're going to explore how a single, fundamental process could be the common thread linking some of the most widespread health issues we face today. So, let's start with the puzzle. On the surface, our health problems can feel totally disconnected, like they're all just different trees in a forest. But what if? What if they all share the exact same root system?
I mean, think about it for a second. We treat things like anxiety, depression, obesity, and conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome as completely separate issues. Each one gets its own specialist, its own treatments. But a whole lot of research is now pointing in a very, very different direction.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. Researchers Avshalom Caspi and Terry Moffitt did this massive study, and what they found was kind of mind-blowing. They realized that risk factors, whether they're genetic or from something like childhood trauma, they aren't specific. A single factor doesn't just raise your risk for one disorder. No, it raises the risk for many of them.
So this led them to come up with this idea of a general factor for all these health issues. The theory is that there's some common biological vulnerability that makes a person susceptible to a whole range of problems, both mental and, as we're now finding out, metabolic. The point is, for so long we've been looking at all the different branches when we should have been looking at the root the whole time.
And that root? Well, it takes us deep inside our own bodies, down to the microscopic engines that power our lives. And this is where we're going to identify the villain at the heart of our story.
So, say hello to your mitochondria. You probably remember these guys from high school biology as the powerhouses of the cell. And yeah, they totally are. They create ATP. That's the energy that fuels every single thing you do. But their job is so much bigger than that. They're like central command for regulating our hormones and our stress responses. They're a huge deal.
This right here is one of the most powerful statements from the research. When things start to go wrong, when our energy levels tank and our systems get out of whack, it's not just a random symptom. It is a mitochondrial problem. This is ground zero. This is where the dysfunction begins.
And this just lays out the stakes perfectly. Look, when your mitochondria are healthy and humming along, you feel it, right? You've got high energy, mental clarity, a stable mood. But when they're dysfunctional, the whole system starts to break down. That's when you get chronic fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, depression, insulin resistance. Hey, those are the exact conditions we talked about at the beginning. You see the connection now?
Okay, but if mitochondrial dysfunction is the villain of our story, then every good story needs a hero. We need a molecule that can come in and reignite our cellular engines.
Now, to understand our hero, we first have to meet its precursor. This is NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide. Just think of this as the raw material, okay? It's the key ingredient that our body uses to build what it really needs.
And what it builds is this, NAD+. This is our hero. It's an absolutely essential coenzyme that acts like the spark plug for our mitochondria. Without enough NAD+, that whole energy production line just grinds to a halt. It is, quite literally, the spark of life at the cellular level.
All right, so this all sounds amazing in theory, doesn't it? But what does the science actually say? Can we really restore our cellular energy just by focusing on this one pathway? Well, let's look at this fascinating study. Researchers took healthy cells, in this case egg cells from pigs, and they blasted them with heat stress, which is known to cause all kinds of cellular damage. And just as they expected, the stress made the mitochondria malfunction. But then they introduced NMN, the precursor to our hero. And the result was just stunning. The NMN didn't just slow down the damage, it actively restored mitochondrial function. It basically reversed the defects that the stress caused, rescuing the cells and improving their quality. It proved that if you give ourselves the right building blocks, they can actually fight back against damage. Pretty incredible.
So, what does all this science really mean for us, for our day-to-day lives, for our long-term health? Let's zoom back out and connect the dots.
The things that damage our mitochondria, they're everywhere. It's the poor sleep that messes with our internal clocks, the high-sugar diets that just overload the system,
the chronic stress that floods us with cortisol, and all the environmental toxins we're exposed to every single day. These are the little hits that are constantly draining our cellular batteries.
And this all brings us to the most important takeaway, the really big idea here. Instead of trying to treat a dozen different symptoms, what if we could just address the root cause with one powerful strategy: boosting our cellular energy? It completely shifts the focus from chasing symptoms to building a more resilient foundation from the inside out. When you support your cellular energy, you're not just tackling one problem, you're supporting the entire system.
So it leaves us with a pretty profound question to think about. What if the next great leap in health and wellness isn't some new pill for one specific disease, but a fundamental understanding of how to refuel ourselves and restore that very spark that keeps us all running? Definitely something to think about.
If you're interested in exploring more of these incredible connections, from hormone optimization to metabolic psychiatry and regenerative medicine, be sure to subscribe and follow for more explainers just like this one. Thanks so much for watching this Within You Health production.